Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's Teck. In this video I will talk about Google Play points, and I got a new app installation task in my Korean account, and here you can see get points for trying new apps and games, and I got total 4 applications to install and I will get 40 points, so and I will install all the applications. Here you can see 4 applications, 10 points each, total 40 points. Okay, now let me just collect all my points, and after watching this video go to your play points page and check you got this or not, and if you got this please let me know in the comment section below. And I got a new application task and I will get 40 points, so and I will install all the application. Okay, so this is the video. Bye, see you guys in the next video. Take care guys.